In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save DocuSign document as PDF. By the end, you'll have a secure local copy of your signed document, and you'll know how to grab the official certificate of completion for your records or compliance needs. First, sign into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click on Agreements. This is where DocuSign organizes all your envelopes, including the ones you've sent and the ones you've received. Find the envelope that contains the document you want to save. It's important that the envelope status shows completed. Only completed envelopes include the final, legally binding version of the document with all signatures and initials. If it's still in progress, wait until it's completed before you download. Open the envelope to view its details. You'll see sections for recipients, documents, and history. The documents section is where you'll work from. Quick note while we're here. I've placed the official DocuSign website link at the very top of the description so you can sign in directly. If you prefer using the mobile app, you'll also find the download links in the description for easy access. In the Documents section, locate the signed file you want. Click Download. You'll see three useful options. Combined PDF creates one file with all documents in the envelope merged together. Individual PDFs lets you download each document separately, which is helpful if you only need a specific file. Certificate of completion gives you the official audit trail with signature details, timestamps, and recipient information. Choose the files you need, then save them to a clearly labeled folder on your computer so you can find them later. After the download finishes, open your PDFs to verify everything. Check that every required signature and initial is present, and that pages display correctly. If you downloaded the certificate of completion, review the timeline and recipient information to confirm it matches what you see in the completed envelope. This extra minute of verification can save time if you're sharing the files with a client, HR, or a legal team. A couple of important reminders as you wrap up. Only completed envelopes include the final signed PDFs and the certificate. Even after you download, DocuSign keeps a secure copy in your account, so you can always return and re-download if needed. And if you're working in a regulated environment, it's best practice to keep the certificate of completion alongside your signed document. That's it. If this helped, don't forget to grab the link at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.